So VEVOR ended up gifting us this 6-tier plant stand. Now this is more like a DIY kind of plant stand, and why I say that is because you can set this up in many different ways, and the directions actually provide a few different ways of setting this up. You can split it into 2 different plant stands if you like, or however you want to configure it. It's really up to you. They provide you extra wheels just in case you do split it into 2 different shelving units, and they give you different plugs so that way, like I said, if you do split it into 2, you have the plugs that you're going to need to be able to get these grow lights working for you on both of them. Now they do provide zip ties and these Velcro ties to be able to cinch down your wiring. However, I'm going to leave that to when I stick my plants in here, so I know exactly how I want it laid out. Now, because you do have the option of splitting this into multiple units, they do give you 8 different grow lights. So no matter how you end up setting this up, you're going to be able to give your plants the amount of light that they're going to need to be able to grow. So I just built it as one giant stand, and what I did was I put shorter distance for the top shelves, figuring all my seedlings can start up there, and as they get bigger I can then drop them down into the larger shelves, providing a lot more space for them to do their thing. Now what I do like is the fact that they have the caster wheels, which makes it easy for me to just move it around the room if I need to. Another thing I really like about these grow lights is the fact that they have this switch on there, which is just an on-off switch. So if you're putting your lights on a timer, this works out. A lot of the grow lights don't have a simple on-off switch, which ultimately messes up the timer outlet that I plug it into. So this switch is perfect for me. Another feature I do like is they give you these mats, these thick like plastic type mats to go on the shelves, which when you're working with dirt and you have your shelving inside, you don't want a dirt mess all over the place. So this keeps everything contained to the actual shelves, having this plastic feature here. But all in all, I find these shelves to be perfect for getting my seedlings to start in the house. Currently, because I didn't split the unit in 2, I do have a lot of lighting. So what I did was I just put 2 and 2 and 2 and then 1 and 1. And as I get plants on here and they start to grow, I can figure out what lighting is the best for what shelf. Now these grow lights are full spectrum grow lights. So I really like the fact that this is more of a DIY type of shelf. It leaves it up to me to be able to configure it however I want to configure it.